Millions of players are spending hours, sometimes entire days, clicking the same button again and again and again. Why? Because somewhere inside Roblox, a new type of game has quietly taken over. It's called RNG gaming. And one of the fastest growing examples right now is Slime RNG. At first glance, it looks incredibly simple. You click a button, and the game randomly gives you a slime. Most of them are common, some are rare, and a tiny few are almost impossible to get, but that tiny chance is exactly what keeps players addicted. Every roll creates anticipation. Your brain starts thinking, what if the next one is ultra rare? And suddenly hours disappear. Some players spend entire nights grinding for slimes with insane rarity levels. 1 in a million. 1 in 10 million. Sometimes even rarer. And when someone finally gets one, the game explodes with effects, notifications, and reactions. That moment creates a massive dopamine hit. It feels rewarding, even though technically, the player did almost nothing. That's the power of RNG systems. Games like Slime RNG are built around randomness, luck, and endless repetition. And surprisingly, it works extremely well because humans are naturally attracted to unpredictable rewards. It's the same psychological system used in casinos, loot boxes, and gambling mechanics. Except here, it's colorful Roblox slimes. Now, millions of players keep rolling every day, hoping for the next impossible item. And developers understand this perfectly. The longer players stay, the more valuable the game becomes. More engagement, more Robux, more popularity. But some people are starting to ask an uncomfortable question. Are RNG games becoming too addictive? Because while players keep chasing the next ultra-rare slime, the game keeps pulling them deeper. One more roll, one more chance, one more possibility. And somewhere right now, someone is still staring at their screen, waiting for a slime they may never get.